Hello everyone, welcome you in investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot close at 81,905, gain of 1,194 points. Nifty 50 spot close at 25,114, gain of 373 points. Bank Nifty spot close at 54,809, gain of 695 points. Market breadth was positive. BSE 500 closed at 36,419 with gain of 576 points. Nifty 500 closed at 23,119 with gain of 361 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty in India Defense Index which closed at 8,044 with gain of 7%. And top loser was Nifty Consumer Durable Index which closed at 39,419 with loss of 1.02%. Now let's analyze Nifty chart. Nifty opened strong, held about 25,000 through the session and closed at 25,114, up by 109 points. Form a bullish candle on a daily chart, signal a market strength despite minor intraday swings. Momentum is firm. The 20-day exponential moving average has crossed above the 50-day exponential moving average. All the key moving averages are trending upward. RSI has climbed to 61 and MACD shows a bullish setup. A breakout form a symmetrical triangle points a possible move towards 25,500 in the September series. For the week, Nifty gained 155%, extended last week 1.3% rise. The strategy remains buy on dip through some profit booking taking at higher levels. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty 16 September 2025 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on C side at seen at 26,000 strike with the open interest of 1,72,495 lots. Highest open interest on P side was seen at 25,000 strike with the open interest of 2,38,047 lots. Max open interest change happened on C side at 25,000 strike with the subtraction of 59,251 lots. Max open interest change happened on P side at 25,000 strike with the addition of 1,27,489 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Nifty sustains above 25,150 levels, then it can move towards 25,250 to 25,300 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 25,000 levels, then index can go down towards 24,900 to 24,800 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty extended its winning streak for the 8th session, adding 140 points to close at 54,809, a gain of 1,190 points in this run. While the index tested the 100-day exponential moving average, it failed to close above its but stay well the 10-day and 20-day EMS. Interestingly, 5 doji live candles in September highlighted indecision, with a choppy intraday move despite strong openings. Yet the higher low signals steady buy on D. On the momentum front, RSI has risen from 27 to 49. DI positive and DI negative are nearing a bullish crossover and ADX rising shows are improving in a strength. Now let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty 30 September 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on C side at seen at 57,000 strike with the open interest of 52,229 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 54,000 strike with the open interest of 39,756 lots. Max open interest change happened on C side at 54,600 strike with the subtraction of 3,675 lots. And max open interest change happened on P side at 55,200 strike with the subtraction of 2,314 lots. And the option data and chart analysis indicate that if Bank Nifty cross above 54,800 levels, then it can move towards 55,200 to 55,800 levels. But if Bank Nifty breaks below 54,400 levels, then the index can go down towards 54,000 to 53,600 levels.